Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on day 4 for our sneak peeks for our Box of the Month release on January 1st, 9 a.m. Central Time. So far we created these 3 cards. You can go back to each video to see how I created them. We are going to reveal our next product. This is called Best Friends. 6x6 paper pad, 4 of each design. It is a beautiful color palette. I just love the yellow in there with the pink and that blue color. It's just gorgeous. We have coordinating ephemera, so I'm going to go through this and then we'll make a project. Okay, we have a beautiful bright page here with heart balloons flying away in the clouds. It's a beautiful pattern with some roses and a butterfly landing on the roses. Here are those beautiful heart balloons in a pattern with some bows. Here's a really pretty page. You can cut these images out or use them for a scrapbook page or something like that, or just cut the front out and voila, you have a card. That's a really pretty pattern with the little polka dots behind those roses. We have a swing with some flowers and butterflies. This is a gorgeous pattern. You can see the faded little roses and butterflies in the background. We've got some pretty cupcakes with some balloons on a faded pink background. This is a really pretty pattern. We've got the 2 girls on the swings in blue with the clouds, and then them on a yellow background with butterflies. Love this one, really pretty. Love the splashes of pink on top of that yellow. And then we've got a pretty rose background with some butterflies. Okay, I think our patterns are repeating. So gorgeous paper. Let's take a look at the ephemera. We've got a really pretty swing that you can put these best friends, sisters, whatever you want your card to be, right on that swing. Isn't that cute? We've got some like journaling type cards or card front pieces with the beautiful image. Here's another one in a different skin tone. We've got one that's already on the swing in a little smaller size. Got 2 of those. Here's another journaling card with the balloons at the top of the swing. Here's just a plain swing. You can decorate that with some roses or something. Butterflies. You've got the leaves to put behind your roses. Smaller rose. We've got some balloons, heart balloons. We've got cupcakes. Some more foliage, another rose. Here's a smaller yellow rose. So you got some roses in different sizes here. It's a balloon. Here's another cupcake in yellow. And we've got the butterflies, really cute. Here's a little rosebud, a tiny butterfly. Here's a tiny rose. Some more balloons, another yellow cupcake, some more butterflies. So really pretty collection. I just love the colors in this collection. They're just so happy. So let's make a card today. Okay, so I have all my pieces cut out. So we're gonna lay this cluster of flowers on the top with the little butterfly. I picked out the 2 girls on the swing. I had this paper from the paper pad which is gorgeous. A white scallop border, and I'm going to put this piece of black right here on the top of this white. So let's go ahead and add that. Okay, so let's add this mat. I want some of this floral to show at the bottom, so let's bring this down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to pop up all these images. Let's see, I'm going to put the leaves down flat. So yesterday, my husband got food poisoning. Early in the morning, he just started throwing up nonstop. We had to go to the little urgent care. They don't really do anything there. They just prescribe medicine, really. But yeah, he feels better. He still feels like doo-doo, but he feels a lot better. He doesn't feel like he's going to throw up anymore. And the only thing that he ate that it could have been, we went to Target and got some lunch meat and bread, and he had a sandwich. So I don't know, maybe somebody, you know how sometimes people put stuff in their cart and leave it out for a long time, and put the stuff back. Maybe it just got rotten that way or something. And he went to give Charlie a piece of the lunch meat, and Charlie spit it out. So he should have listened to Charlie. Charlie knows best. And then I want this one popped up on top of those roses. And I think I'm getting a little bit sick, guys. I never get sick, ever. But I just have a little bit of a head stuffiness going on. And then I'm going to have my curls right here. Let's see if I could tuck that in a little bit more underneath this rose. Lift that up just a little bit. My camera stopped somewhere. So what I did is I laid this flat down. I added a piece of cardstock right under here so it would lay more flat. And I'm going to use the Sentiments Better Together, and this is from the stamp set that I will be revealing tomorrow. Okay, I'm going to stamp the Sentiment Better Together. Okay, so cute. I'm going to decorate the inside with a white panel and then use this pretty rose paper to accent it. And then let's add a little piece of ephemera here, either like the butterfly, that would be cute, or maybe this rose. I kind of like the rose. There we go. What a pretty card. I'm going to top it off with some Sparkling All the Way confetti. So I'm just going to add a few dots of glue. So that completes the card. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time, and I'll have the last sneak peek. And I may even sneak peek the paper pad and the stamp of the month. So see you then. Thanks, guys.